Hey guys, it's Liam, and this is my 7th month on T slash 5 months post-op. Wow, June, July, August, September, October, November. Oh my god, okay, so it has been like 5 months. Okay, um, yeah, so I'm just gonna kind of give a quick update. I wanted to also talk about um, the stuff that I use for my acne and all my scars because I know a lot of people have a lot of questions about what products work, and I don't know if what I'm using is going to work for you, and it doesn't exactly work the best for me, but it's what I've come to rely on to work the best. Um, but anyway, as far as tea goes, I haven't really felt anything different. I got my dose lowered. Since it's been zero point 0.7 every 2 weeks, it's my stuff hasn't really been changing noticeable. Oh my god, I can't speak. Um, my voice has gotten deeper, but not like a lot. I have some facial hair, which you probably can't see, like along here and along here. Um, and I still have like my mustache, and I'm getting some hairs under here and acne under here, but they're pretty light, so I mean, it's not like noticeable unless I'm in like really bright sunlight, and sometimes you can see it. Um, but yeah, not really much change, which is cool, whatever. Um, but, oh my god, I'm stuck in my jacket. Okay. Um, So these are what my scars look like as much as you can see. I'll try to get close. Um, they're pretty light and not bad looking. And I'm still like nice and flat and whatever. Um, I've gained a little bit of fat back right here. Um, so like I don't know, they look a little bit funny, but it's not. It's all on me. It's all like my eating and stuff right now. Um, but no, it looks pretty good. And I don't know if you can tell, but like in through here. Yeah, you can kind of tell. It's starting to like, it's flat. It doesn't feel like a scar, and it's starting to like be almost skin color. This side isn't doing it as much, but the side's definitely doing it. Yeah, so I don't know. I'm healing it pretty good, and I have most mobility and everything back. I can't. There's nothing that like I've had trouble doing. I went back to the gym and I was fine. Um, so I mean everything's going good. I don't have. I'd say I don't have full feeling yet. Um, like right in here, I can feel it, but it's kind of like a tingling, but it's a little bit painful, but it's not actually like it hurts. It's just like the way to describe it is it's not like the feeling of touch like up here. It feels kind of like I'm being poked a lot, but it's not. It doesn't hurt necessarily. I don't know how to explain it. Um, but I mean, it's been fine. It doesn't really bother me. Um, yeah, so things are pretty good. I did get like my ID and everything changed over. I'm gonna make another video about that in like 5 seconds after I finish this one. I don't want to put it all in one because that would be like a hella long video for you guys to watch. So anyway, I'm gonna start talking about what I use on my acne. Um, my face is better than it's been. It's not great. It doesn't look good. I'm not clear by any means whatsoever. Um, but my redness is down a lot, and most of like this big thing and this thing, and these are where I've picked at them and they've bled, and so like it's not really acne anymore. It's like an open wound, um, like this one too. All the places where they're big and red, that's what I've done, and that's why they look like that. Um, and I have a really hard time with picking at my face, and it's bad. But this is what I use when I get in the shower. I take a shower. Don't hate me. I use Proactive. Um, I use the wash. It works because it's benzoyl peroxide and it's not the salicylic acid or whatever that's in like every OTC like acne medication. So like that's why I use it because it actually dries the acne out and stuff. Um, and then when I get out of the shower, I apply the step two. I don't usually use the step three because it just kind of makes my face oily and I don't like it. And my face isn't um, excessively dry ever, so I don't really have a problem with that. Um, Sometimes I will use this St. Ives blemish scrub, whatever. because I only use that Proactive once a day, and I'll use this like the second day or second part of the day sometimes. I use it on my chest and on my back as much as I can when I'm in the shower. When I know I'm gonna have like a really long day, like I'm gonna be out of the house for a long time, I use this. I realize all this is backwards. I'm sorry. The Clean and Clear oil absorbing whatever, and it keeps my face from getting really shiny, which it does if I'm out and doing stuff a lot. Um, and then every so often, I will use this acne-free sulfur mask. And this works really well if I'm having like if my face is just like freaking out. I'll put it on and leave it on for like 10 minutes and wash it off. And the next day, it's like a lot smoother and my skin's calmed down. So I would definitely think it's good. And then if at night, if I'm like really lazy and I don't really want to wash my face, I'll use like it doesn't really matter any of these little pads. Like they're like already medicated, and I just have to rinse my face with it and put it in the trash, and it's like done with. Um, and also sometimes if I just want to have a spa day because I'm beautiful, I'll use this like peel off cucumber mask. You can also get these in like little tiny like 1 or 2 use packets. And I mostly just like them because I get to peel them off my face and I like how it feels. Um, yeah. And then on my scars, what I've been using, mostly I use this pink 100% silicone lube for women. Whatever. I use it because it has vitamin E and aloe vera in it as well, and I rub that on and massage, like blah, blah, blah. I try to do that for like 2 to 3 minutes. I only do it like twice a week, whenever I remember to. I'm really bad at managing it because I mean I don't care so much about my scars. Like I don't care that they're there because mine aren't hard or chunky or anything. So like I don't know, it doesn't really bother me. But I use that. I try to use this every day. It's Scar Zone. I think this bottle was like $7 or $8. And it's lasted me a really long time. I used it on other scars on my body and it worked really well. So I've been using it and I think it's helped. This was like, I don't know, I'm going to say like $19, I think. I got it online. And then I recently got this Palmer's Even Tone Dark Spot Corrector, which I've been using on my face occasionally when I remember to try to like get rid of my nasty picked acne scars. But I don't like to put it on like in the morning because it's kind of like there's not oil in it, but it makes me feel oily. So I try to put it on at night before I go to bed, but I usually forget because by the time I'm going to bed, I'm like exhausted. And I use that on my scars every so often too. Just it's kind of like whatever is closest to me is what I'll use. Or like whenever I'm thinking about it. So that is all of the things I use. I know it's a lot of things, but I'm trying to clear my face up, and so like it's a struggle. And I know a lot of people have a hard time trying to find something that works. And I mean, I think a lot of the reason my acne went down is just because I lowered my T, and my levels are like 300 now instead of like 1,000. So they're like the normal. But I still have acne, and I'm just kind of hoping I grow out of it, which I guess some people do. But yeah, that's all I'm really gonna say in this video. I'm about to upload another one as well. That's about my name change and gender change and all that stuff. So feel free to watch that one. If you have any questions, or like you can't find this stuff or whatever, and you want to buy it, let me know, and I'll see if I can help you out. But alright, that's it.